Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today with a little Saks luxury haul. I picked up some things recently at Saks and it was, I haven't unboxed them yet. A little bit of some of them, some of them I've tried already. But what I'm trying to say, beauties, is that I didn't unbox this right here. This is a Valentino unboxing as well. So I'm so excited to unbox these. These are Valentino shoes. So I don't know, this is my first time seeing them with you beauties, but I did get a few other things, but let's open this first because I am so excited to see these and I've been waiting for you beauties like always. So how should we do it now? The box is just so gorgeous. And so let me go ahead and try. I really want to, okay, a bunch of stuff. You guys saw a bunch of stuff just fell out. Everything's falling. Here is the two dust bags to travel with. And okay, here are the actual shoes now. Hopefully, I can't wait anymore. Oh my God, these are gorgeous. Wow. So these are not really like they're mid heel. They're not kitten heel because there was a higher heel. I didn't get the higher heel. So I had a pair of these before and they were the most comfortable shoes and my sandals that I have, but the heel in particular, because it's hard to find a comfortable heel. They were the most comfortable shoes that I ever wore. So I think these are a great investment because I wore my other ones till they fell apart. And oh, they're beautiful, and they're like, they feel incredible when you wear these. So even the sandals feel incredible because, to be completely honest, have you had the same experience as me? But Gucci sandals are extremely painful. I will never. I really gotta. If you guys see me and they're going near Gucci sandals, please stop me because they're so darn cute, but they're always hurt until they break in. But it takes years to break them in for me. Anyway, guys, but not Valentino. Valentino, the moment you put it on, and the Hermes sandals that I have, so comfortable. Yeah, I'm gonna put them on and show you guys how they look. And then I thought these would be perfect for the winter because I have so many sandals, but I don't have any really beautiful kind of covered toe shoe. So I figured this would be a great opportunity to, they were having a huge sale at Saks. So I'm all about the Saks. I'm addicted to Saks now because they have amazing sales. And actually when I bought these, I got a gift card and I'm just putting these on right now. I feel like Cinderella. They feel so good. Wow. I do get size 39. And yeah, these are really, really beautiful. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna put them on and show you guys how they look. I just have to show you what else that I picked up on my luxury haul. I am so happy that I got this because I wanted this for quite a while, but you can never get your hands on it. It's always sold out, and when I saw, well, first of all, in store they had a beautiful lambskin version. Let me just unbox this first. But I did unbox this already with my husband. He wanted me to unbox it with him, but so I do already have taken it out of the box. But what is this? Oh my bracelets in here. I don't know why. Okay, so let me see what else is in here. Just the receipts and things of that nature, and the information. But yeah, I already did unbox this, but I had to show it to you beauties. So I'm so happy. Should I just go ahead and open it and show you, and then we'll discuss the details. But here it is, and then inside, what do you guys think it is? Here it is. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Here, oh, I haven't unboxed it actually since I got it, and I opened it with my husband, but then this is my first time with you beauties, or actually on my own, really looking at it and seeing it. And now guys, I'm always looking for this. This is the caviar card holder with silver hardware, and I really wanted this because to match, I do have the caviar silver hardware Chanel flap bag. So yeah, I could never get this though. It's always, where I live and normally in New York, it's always sold out. And I've been to quite a few Chanel boutiques and they never have this in stock. So let me try to show you guys, I'm so happy that I got this because I wanted the matching set so bad. And initially I saw in store they have come out with a beautiful lambskin card holder, and it has the most beautiful Chanel logo. It has this beautiful hardware, but it's decorative. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So I was actually going to get that, and but then I was speaking with the SA, and I was just, I really wanted this one, but she said they didn't have it. So I was going to get the lambskin one with the beautiful CC decorative. It's so gorgeous. It's oversized. It's beautiful. But I was a little worried. I said, it's probably going to get scratched in my bag. But I said, I'm going to wind up I was going to get it though. And actually she was wrapping it up for me, and then on the wall they had this like a decoration just very high up. I don't even know how I saw it. And it was with the mannequin. Really, this was at the Mall Millennia in Orlando. And so I saw it. Look how big it is. It has a lot of room, and I'm so happy because it's not, it's much more durable than the lambskin. It won't get scratched, and it matches perfect. That's another thing. It's a perfect match to my bag at home. So I'm so happy. And again, I've been trying for years to get this, and they never, even in Orlando, she said they didn't have it. But I just happened to see it. I got very lucky, and I saw it up. It was like, I don't even know how I saw it. I was leaving the store, and it was like very high up, like a decoration. So I'm so lucky I got it. And then I also did get this in my luxury haul. I got this beautiful, let me show you guys first. Well, this is another item that I did unbox already. So, but let's do a little kind of teaser moment here. But look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. I already unboxed it, but as you can see kind of what this is. Tiffany Co. Beautiful box. Look at how gorgeous the actual box is. It goes like this, and then inside is your ring, but I'm actually wearing the ring already. So I love this. I'm so happy. I'll try to take a better picture of it. It's the Fleur de Lis ring from Tiffany, and I absolutely love this. Platinum, and it does have a 0.16 diamonds in it. So love this. It was a huge surprise. So I'm so glad that I got that too. And I just have one more thing to show you beauties really quick. So I wound up just getting this. Now this is pre-loved from the Real Veil, but I just wanted to show you guys because it's really beautiful quality. But I wanted a Valentino bag, but I didn't really want to I wanted this bag to match the shoes. So I don't know, and it's beautiful. And it said it was very good condition, and I really think that it is. It's looking a little haggard right now, actually, with me trying to show you beauties. But they were having an amazing sale at the Real Real, so I figured, here, it does kind of better, right? I figured, let me scoop this up. So it was an amazing price. If you found out how much this cost, this was like $400. It's definitely, beautiful. It was in perfect condition. You can wear it either on your wrist, or you could wear it like this, or it does have a longer strap, so you can wear it, really long, or you can wear it crossbody. So this is a great bag for work, school, travel. But I'm going to be wearing this, I'm planning to wear this. This is great for shopping. Wow, let me try to show you. This looks so cute. I don't think I'm getting a good picture for you guys, but here, it's beautiful. It looks way better in real life. I don't think it's photographing really well, but in real life, it's very beautiful and looks perfect. It looks like it's perfect condition. It's beautiful. Valentino is hot, Look at that. I can't get enough of this. Here you go. Is that better? I don't know. It's gorgeous. It's the lighting, I think, throwing it off. It's beautiful and such an amazing price. I also wound up getting this. Now, because they were having the event when I got the shoes, they were giving a gift card. So I got the gift card. And with the gift card, I got the Chanel Ultra Lay Tint Foundation. I love this so much. I already kind of did a demo, and I'll just insert the link up here if you guys want to check it out. But love this. I was really happy because I pretty much got this free. I love, who doesn't love free stuff? And then, but this also I purchased. Now, I actually ordered this by accident because I thought I was ordering the La Mer the Essence water, pretty much, I believe. It's called the Essence. But what I wound up getting, I'm not sure if I ordered wrong or what, but I said, let me give this a try because it sounded amazing. I got this. This is called the Lifting and Firming Serum. And look how tiny it is, you guys, and it's very pricey, but I gotta tell you, I used pretty much, I don't push the pump all the way because I like my products to last. So I pushed tiniest amount and I put it around my eyes, and it did even go down into my porous area. And I felt like it immediately tightened my eyes, my hooding. I'm very concerned always about my hooding. So I put it on my hooding and I felt like it did look firmer. I felt like this T-zone area, the pores were firmer and also brightened. So you guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm addicted to this now because I've been using this for like the past 3 days, and I only use it at night. But as soon as you put it on, you're just like, who is she? You just look amazing. So this is definitely, I believe, worth the investment because it's incredible. This and then the Essence I'm addicted to also. I'm gonna have to order that because I love it. It's a big bottle. It lasts me like a year, but it's pricey. They also gave you this gift. So I got this bag here, this beautiful bag filled with samples. I mean, first of all, this bag is very high quality. It's a beautiful bag, very thick material. It's not flimsy whatsoever. It's beautiful. It's just everything about it is this is a gorgeous bag. But you guys, look at how much, it's like trick-or-treating for beauty, for luxury beauty and makeup. There is so much in here. Hermes perfume, Olaplex shampoo and conditioner sample. There's so much, you guys. It's crazy. Tammy Fender skincare cleansing milk. I should try that tonight, actually. Here is Paragon, another perfume. There's also a creme la mer. I might have put it over there, but they gave a sample of the creme la mer, the cream. Maybe I'll try this tonight. Clé de Peau Key Radiance Care. It's all of these and this too. All of these samples to try. So, and then this is the cotton. And then here is the serum, the lotion, and the protective fortifying emulsion. I might have to use this. I don't know which one to use tonight now. So then here is the neck renewal. I need to try this. You guys have seen my neck. My neck needs some help. So this is 2 samples of the Revive neck serum. I'm going to try that tonight. Hopefully, I almost hope it doesn't work because you know it was going to be pricey. But then again, I do want my neck to be firmed. So here is a Revita Brow. This is from Revita Lash. This is their Brow Advanced Serum. Oh, and very nice size sample. Gonna start that tonight. And then here is the Guerlain Youth Oil. Wow. Which one? I don't know what. I want to try them all now tonight. So I want to get started tonight. This is a Dior miniature lipstick, $9.99. This is a red tone, and this is the satin version. I mean, this is crazy. Here is the Firming Essence, another one, or I don't know which one to use, guys. I want to use all of these. Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel. Love Molten Brown. Wow. Oh, it smells so good. I'm taking a shower tonight, so I'm gonna go all out. Philip B Weightless Volumizing Shampoo. I can't wait to try that. Here is Tom Ford Bitter Peach Perfume. Stop. Oh my god, this is amazing. I only just took a peek. I saw the La Mer, I tried that. I didn't see all this other stuff, you guys. Is this another 111 Skin Retinol Oil? You guys, this is unbelievable. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Here, this was all free, you guys. Can you believe that? Well, when you purchased a beauty product. And I use beauty products anyway. I purchase them all the time anyway, usually from Sephora, but now I'm gonna be all about Saks. Saks is oh my god, this is amazing. So here is a I don't know how to say this, but it's a luminous conditioner, Sublime Gold, infused with 24 karat gold conditioner. Is this another Dior? Oh, this is the same Dior lipstick. Let's look at it. Look how cute it looks. How tiny. It must be. Oh, how cute, you guys. Oh, it's adorable. And I hate to say, like I always say, guys, but a lot of the stuff, if you have a Poshmark or things like that, because people love miniature, you could sell the stuff and make a lot of money. Because people love, you know, the miniatures. So here is Faux Lash Mascara from Chetti Co. Can't wait to try that. And oh, there is so much more. I can't believe this. Creed perfume. Love Creed perfume. Which one is this? House of Creed. I'm not sure which one this is. This is I'm not sure. I'll be back. We'll do like a perfume, you know, something of the nature. Christian Louboutin lipstick sampler. Wow. Here is bio serum. Sounds really nice. Here is Hair Ritual by Sicily. So Sicily Hair Care. Delina House de Marley. Oh, I love that. I do have that still. I left it at home though because I'm in Florida right now. Oh, Barbara Sturm. I can't wait to try this because you always see everybody, celebrity using this. So can't wait to try that. And then here is Hydration Valmont. Can't wait to try this. So is there more? Oh, this is the Maison. This is the Universal scent. Now I did try this already. It wasn't very long lasting. So you know, I'm not gonna purchase that one. But I did this just did another video. I'm not sure if it's up already, but the Dior, what is it called? Ambry Nuit, or that smells incredible. That's the perfume I'm getting next. Or the Dior Riviera smell. Oh, anyway. Is that everything? Oh, Peter Thomas Roth. There's still more stuff in here, beauties. I can't believe this. Where is all this coming? This bag is endless. This is like an endless bag of beauty. Yeah, there's more in here. So I will be testing everything out, and I'll let you know. If you are a luxury beauty lover, this is definitely, you know, the way to go. Saks has incredible sales, and they're always giving promo codes, gift cards, but you have to sign up for the emails because the gift card events just come out of the clear blue sky. So you never know when they're going to happen, and then they'll send you an email and you can take advantage. So I will have Saks listed down below. So beauties, thank you so much for coming and spending time with me today. Let me know if you also got this beauty bag from Saks. Isn't it amazing? Let me know if you've tried any of these fragrances or these beauty products. Are any of these your favorites too? Let me know down below. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you very soon.